There's Brett, Heather, MyCru sit right here on the corner. Check them out, guys. You see him, you see him. I think Brett's sitting in there. He is too. Check him out. What up, man? Yeah, looking good underneath there. Check it out, MyCru Car Club. You see him, and Don's parked right here. Damn, that's a glass house. Look at your reflection in that thing, man. Absolutely crazy. He got this thing shined up. Look at this. What is up, trappers? You see us? There we are. Damn, super clean. You can see the cars behind us. And they just distort to heck on that round curvature of them fenders. Check him out. There's Heather. Hi, lady. How are you?
All right, how are you?
I'm good. We'll be over to check out here in just a minute.
Hold on, go that way.
Go that way. Oh, okay. We'll give you a minute. She's working on something, guys. We'll come back through and we go up the other aisle and get you. We got to get Brett from around here and check out the back of this one. He's got his detail bucket and everything over here. He got the wheels, and you know he put the spikes on here. You see him, you see him. Oh, he just got the trunk pop. He don't really have it open. We're gonna open it on him. What up, guys? There you go, guys. You can see his truck. His box slid back, man. He's got to get it secure. Damn, he got the flowers on there, everything. MyCru on a license plate. You see it? Heather on the other side of him over there. We're going to go the rest of the way down this lane and check them out here, guys. A lot of nice cars out here. Yeah. Especially this black Camaro sitting here. It's got an LSXR in it. Did you see that?